everyone, welcome to the Sequential Taillight Installation Guide for 3rd Gen Firebird Formulas. Here are the materials you're going to need for this installation. An electronic signal light relay. You'll need to replace your existing load-dependent relay with an electronic. The signal light relay is located under the dashboard on the driver's side. It is always recommended to solder and heat shrink your connections. Roughly 10 feet of 18 to 20 gauge wire. It is recommended to upgrade to LED taillight bulbs, but is not required. LEDs will simply make the sequence look more prominent. The wires on the left of the module are the input wires. On the right are the output wires. To begin, you'll need to remove your taillight housings from the vehicle to expose the wiring harness. The first wire will be the ground wire. Locate the black ground wire in the harness. The sequential module is typically installed behind the driver's side taillight housing. Cut the black ground wire of the vehicle's harness near the location that the module will be permanently installed. Solder the module ground wire to both sides of the harness ground wire. Next is the driver's side turn signal. Locate the yellow wire in the harness that is connected to the driver's side signal bulb. Cut this yellow wire near the location of the module. Connect the harness side of the yellow wire to the green left turn input wire of the module. The bulb side of the yellow wire is to be abandoned. Secure this wire in a safe location near the bulb socket. We'll now have to address the brake wire. Locate the light blue wire in the harness. Cut this blue wire near the module location. Connect the harness side of the blue wire to the yellow brake input wire of the module. You'll notice that the light blue brake wire is connecting 4 bulbs together. You'll need to disconnect all 4 bulbs from this blue wire so they can be controlled individually. Connect bulb LO to the blue wire of the module marked LO. Connect bulb LMO to the yellow wire of the module marked LMO. Bulb RMO will have 2 blue wires that were cut. You can simply solder them together and connect them to the other yellow wire of the module marked RMO. Connect bulb RO to the blue wire of the module marked RO. Next is the running lights. Locate the brown wire in the harness. Disconnect only bulbs LMI, LI, RI, and RMI from the brown wire. Connect the brown wire on the harness side to the brown running light input wire of the module. The remaining 3 exposed brown wires of the harness will need to be made electrically safe to keep them from shorting out against the frame. You may continue the installation once these 3 wires have been capped. Connect bulb LMI to the white wire of the module marked LMI. Connect bulb LI to the red wire of the module marked LI. Connect bulb RI to the green wire of the module marked RI. Connect bulb RMI to the white wire of the module marked RMI. The last wire is the passenger side turn signal wire. Locate the green wire leading to the passenger side signal bulb. Cut this wire near where the module is located. Connect the harness side of the green wire to the red right turn input wire of the module. The bulb side of the green wire is to be abandoned. Secure this wire in a safe location near the bulb socket. And that's it! You can now test the functions of the module. Applying the brake will result in this sequence. Turn signals will result in this sequence.